Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need both devices ready, paired Apple Watch and iPhone updated and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. First, open the phone or contacts app on your watch. Alternatively, raise your wrist and say, "Hey Siri, FaceTime audio name." Tap the contact, then choose FaceTime audio. This initiates the call from your watch using its speaker or connected AirPods. Once done, make sure the caller accepts and audio routes. If you prefer earbuds, pair them before starting the call to avoid interruptions. Once the call connects, focus on controls. Tap the audio icon to switch between the watch, paired iPhone, or Bluetooth headphones. This lets you choose better sound. Use the digital crown to raise or lower volume quickly and tap the mute icon when you need privacy. If video is required, transfer the call to iPhone by tapping the phone transfer prompt. The watch remains the controller. Make sure to watch battery level. Prolonged calls drain power faster, so have a charger handy if the call may run long. To finish, tap the red end button on your watch and verify the call appears in the phone app history. If you experience poor audio or disconnects, first switch audio to your iPhone or toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This often restores the link. If issues persist, restart the watch and iPhone, then check for updates in settings. As a final tip, unpair and repair only if necessary. It fixes stubborn pairing errors but requires restoring watch settings, so back up preferences before you proceed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.